Alright guys, welcome back. So first day as a S&P 500 resident, SMCI, super microcomputer stock. So let's jump into technicals of this name. In the morning was popping up all the way to test 1145 and now flushing big down back to the 1K support. 1K very psychological, like pivotal point for this name. Intraday so far, it has been only 2 hours since market opened. Stock is down 12.5% or so. So what I'm watching for this name right here, right now, this level also is a 20-day moving average, 995. You can see on my chart this blue line. Let's have a look. When did it trade at this level last time? So if you take a look after this big push and big flush, 30% flush, that's where it was near its 20-day. It didn't touch this level, and then it was right here, and ever since we haven't seen stock try to test this level. So welcome to S&P 500. This is the support, and below $1,000 levels, well, psychologically it can, well, we have talked about this name many times. I will be watching, and I'm still watching, 50-day moving average as a support. Before that, it has a support at around 900. It might have a little bit of a support at 800, and then, well, 700, 720. That's another support for SMCI. I will give you guys this example one more time. It can definitely, let's take a look at the upside resistance levels right now from here for this name. Well, intraday, 1080, which was previous all-time high. I was watching it as a support, didn't even blink, it just went through it. So that's your resistance if you think that the stock can reverse, or after today's NVIDIA event, it will have some sort of a pop. Okay, so that's your resistance. And also what I want to take a look is, I will just go zoom out 5-year chart of the stock. Once again, we'll take a look at this. Almost 5 times very recently, 6 times, but if you look a little bit further, well, 20 times in the past, in the past year or so, because last year around, well, 10 times. Last year around this time, it was around $100 stock. I'll give you guys this example as well, and I'm not saying that this apples to apples comparison, okay? Just take it easy. But S&P inclusions that has happened in the same fashion as that stock. I mean, there are a few examples I can compare, and I have talked about this one. Penn National gets added somewhere here at 131, and it's about to get kicked out, $17. Your Tinder, what is it? Match Group, right? MTCH, same thing. It does run up during pandemic. I mean, it was obvious, right? After pandemic, people wouldn't be stuck on their phone, and they would be getting out, meeting people outside. So runs up, gets added to S&P 500 right here at 170 something, and right now stock is at 35. So the point is, SMCI will come back to the mean, and ultra short term, I mean, I'm not saying that it's gonna come back down to $100. No, I'm not saying that, but 50-day moving average is normal for any stock that has been extended for a long time. For this stock, it hasn't seen that level for about 3 months now or so, right? So it's unusual for the stocks to get extended like this, and it's normal to pull back. So we talked about this right here last time, that it hasn't done anything, and if it doesn't do, it will burn a lot of premium going into March 15th. So that's what it did. But this week is packed of events. We have FOMC, we have GTC, chip news. So right here, right now, this is your support, 1K, psychological, because we still have plenty of time left for the rest of the day. But if it doesn't try to recover some of it, or if it doesn't try to at least recover half of it, or maybe it closes at these lows, and tomorrow, well, today aftermarket close, Nvidia announcement, right? If it gaps up tomorrow, it will get sold again. So, but I will be updating, but these are the levels I'm watching for SMCI. I'm not going to look at options because it's too early, but that's the video. Thanks for watching.